What is up, homies? Thank you so much for tuning in today. To my new subscribers, welcome to this video. To the people that are watching this video that are not subscribed, throw your homie a subscribe, and also welcome to this video. Thank you so much for watching. All right, homies, so let's just get into it. Today, we're going to be talking about the talked about freaking futures. That is right. Let me do a little transition really quick. Transition. What's up? Smaller Connor. Okay, so we are sort of illustrating here with Marty McFly getting eaten by the Jaws 19 hologram from Back to the Future dose, that futures can be a little bit scary. So we kind of need to learn a little bit about them and see if this CME group thing is actually dope or if it's not dope. We'll get into my opinion in a second. There's so much freaking info, and always learn more. It says it right there. Freaking learn. As a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a homie like you trying to learn and earn as much as possible about these cryptocurrency markets. So let's get into this. All right, so we're going to go over some key points today about futures, what they are, what it means, transition. All right, so I'm a little bit bigger and on the other side. Anyway, so Homer up there is freaking learning and earning just like you should be. All right, so he is learning all he can about probably something with nuclear freaking fusion or something like that. But here are the quick terms that I just want to go over as like a TLDR of futures so that you can kind of get like a very broad understanding of what this will mean for the cryptocurrency markets. All right. So first term is futures contract. Now, a futures contract is basically when you make or take a commodity or a financial instrument at a fixed date in the future. Dope. They'll deliver that later. And then after that, we go into quantity, which is like a standard amount that you will get delivered. My biggest question with this one is like, what is the basic standard of a Bitcoin delivery? So are we talking like a single Bitcoin? Are we talking 10 Bitcoin, which can fluctuate in price insanely? And that gets into the next one, which is like, what is the quality of a single Bitcoin? Like, it's math. It's not there's no real quality of a Bitcoin. That completely is valued by the miners, the decentralized transactions that we've been looking at. I mean, all of these things sort of go into like the quality of a Bitcoin. Like, how does that work out? And then the offset is a big one that I want to go over, which is like the change in price before that agreed date in that original contract. And as I say right there was a 100% chance that Bitcoin is going to change in value. And for me, that sort of makes this whole CME futures trading sort of complete BS. The offset thing sort of like throws my head in a tailspin when it comes to Bitcoin markets. Like, 100% that this is going to change. So what's the point of going into a futures market with Bitcoin? I'd love to know your thoughts on this so much. Just leave me a comment down below on if you're actually interested in this futures market of Bitcoin. But I think that most of the people watching this video probably aren't actually stoked on this. So I don't know. Homer, thank you so much for the gift. Really appreciate it. Transition. All right. So your boy from, I think, Prince of Vale, I found this gif on Giphy, but he kind of tends to not agree, just like I tend to not agree with this. It's basically just Wall Street trying to manipulate us, the people that want Bitcoin to work, and I really don't agree with this. CME is actually, I looked it up, CME is actually one of the largest futures platforms. So like their entire platform is just making money off of people trading futures, and that sucks. It's just big banks and centralized banks trying to come in and get money off of this decentralized currency, and they're scared, so they're trying to come in and make it easier for older generations to understand. But like, if you just take some time and learn a little bit about this, you see that it's totally a scam. So I'm not really sure what to think about this, but let me know what you think of. Actually, I know 100% what to think about this. This is bullshit. Get the fuck out of our cryptocurrency markets is what I think. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I fucking hate this and I don't think they should be anywhere near our cryptocurrency markets. Transition. All right, so many different like freaking Connor sizes in this video, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This Monday learning is, important because these future contracts are so just, they're really going to manipulate the market a lot, I think. There's definitely going to be more videos like this in the future. I do want to learn more about futures. I'm going to be spending a lot of time learning about this, trying to figure it out so that I can give it on to you homies. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely throw your homie a subscribe, freaking like this video, hit that notification bell, and definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this entire futures thing. I'm still learning just as much as you are when it comes to this. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for watching this channel. This is Crypto Connor. I am Connor. Peace.